Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through the next levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video until the end because, like I said, I'm going to give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So as we can see, Bitcoin has had a nice push towards the upside, okay? And yeah, there was a possible long position from down here, okay? So from this low that we made back here at 27,147, okay, this was actually the range low of this local range that we were trading within, okay? And today we did actually get a nice SFP off of this level, okay? So, you know, looking at this, we can look at this and determine, you know, this is looking like a possible long position, okay? But when I was coming into the open interest and the CVD as well, okay, it wasn't really looking too bullish for me, okay? There were some bullish indications coming in, okay, but you know, there wasn't enough confluence there for me to enter into that trade. Unfortunately, okay, we did miss out on that trade because of that decision that I made, okay, by not trading this. You know, I just wasn't seeing all of that confirmation aligning, and you know, I like to look for all of the confirmation and the confirmation and the confluence factors aligning before I enter into a trade, and I just didn't see it there, and because of that, unfortunately, we did miss out on that trade, okay? But remember, we are still in a long and a short position, okay, that I gave my team over on the Visionary Discord, okay, so we are, I actually gave an update here, so yeah, so we are in a long position from 26,995, okay, and we're also in a short position from 28,257. I gave both of these trades to my members in the Visionary Discord, so if you want access to that, then make sure you click the link in the description. It'll take you over to bittrading.uk, click join Bit Trading here, and you can gain access to that Visionary membership, which gives you access to the Visionary Discord. And somewhere within this video there will be a code which will give you 1 month free access to that Visionary Discord, so make sure you take advantage of that because it is risk free. You can get that 1 month free access and then cancel it straight after so that you don't have to pay the next month. But yeah, make sure you take advantage of that very exclusive deal that I'm doing for you, and yeah, you get access to, you know, insights like this. So this was a snapshot of the Discord that I took, okay, and this was from back up here, okay, and I said locally price is looking bearish coming into the GP and the 786 retracement, okay, so this is what I was saying to my team, okay, coming into this GP and the 786 we were looking bearish, okay, and what happened straight after that, okay, well, straight after that we did see this big pullback, okay, and remember we were in that short position, so we were taking advantage of that pullback, okay, and we are kind of seeing the exact same scenario play out right now, okay. So we're going to talk about the price action that is going on right now, okay, and we can see, you know, we've obviously formed a new low down here, okay, so we can actually mark this low down here. We formed a nice new low, okay, at $27,050, okay, and yeah, if we pull the fib from the high to this low, okay, this fib is pulling this GP, sorry, is coming in at this level right here, and we have the 786 coming in up here as well, okay, and these levels are actually coming in confluence with this local high that we have coming in, you know, very close to price action right now, okay, so, you know, we are forming something similar to what we were actually forming right here, okay, so when we pulled the fib from the high here to the low, okay, the GP was coming in at around the same area, okay, and remember, what was I saying, okay, price was looking bearish coming into that GP, and what happened, well, price had that big pullback right there, and, you know, like I said, we're pretty much seeing the exact same thing play out right now, okay. Now we have come and already tested the GP right here, but we weren't looking bearish at that moment in time when we tested that GP first, okay, and now we are actually coming into this GP again, okay, and testing that GP again, okay. So personally for me, you know, it is a shorting opportunity here, yes, okay, we could enter into a nice short position from here, but I would like to see some things actually occur, okay. I would actually like to see this high being taken here. There's going to be a lot of liquidity sat at this high, okay, so I would like to see if we could take out this high, still respect, you know, this GP and 786 level, okay, possibly enter into the short here if we see the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence, and then we get that continuation towards the downside, okay. So this is a possible scenario that I am looking at, but I would just like to see us sweep this high right here, okay, taking out the liquidity from up here, okay, and then we get that pullback from there, entering into the short, okay. That is what I would like to see. And do you know what, locally, you know, we are actually looking fairly bearish, okay. As you can see here, making some nice higher highs on Bitcoin right here, okay. But if we're coming and looking at the open interest, you know, that is bearish at this moment in time. CVD is is bearish at this moment in time, and even the money flow as well. You know, I don't tend to look at the money flow that often, but it is, you know, a valid indicator that we can use to help with our analysis. And even the money flow is looking bearish as well, okay. So coming into this GP, what are we doing? Well, we're looking bearish, okay, like we were yesterday, okay, when I was telling my team on that Visionary Discord, okay, right here, I was saying locally price is looking bearish coming into the GP and the 786 retracement, okay. What happened after that? Well, we got this big pullback, okay. So yeah, if you want the insights like this, then yeah, make sure you take advantage of that 1 month free access link in the description of you know, bittrading.uk, well, via bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to that. But yeah, you know, we're doing the exact same thing as we were yesterday. Coming into the GP, we're looking bearish. The only thing that is slightly different is we are coming into a key level right here at this local high, and I would prefer to see us actually sweep the liquidity from this high and then get that pullback, okay. Of course, if we just completely take out this liquidity, then we're most likely going to be looking for higher prices. You know, just because we are looking bearish coming into this level doesn't mean we're going to get a pullback, okay. Remember, we just have to look for all the confirmation and the confluence factors before we enter into a trade right here, okay. And you know, yesterday we did also get a sweep of liquidity, okay, but we just formed it instead of a SFP. We actually got a failed auction, okay. So we were actually coming into a local high, okay. Yes, it's slightly different, okay, but this was the local high we were coming into, okay. As you can see, what did we do? We failed auctioned that high right there. If you go into the lower time frames, okay, you can very clearly see we failed auctioned this level right here, okay. So from here, you would have been looking for a nice SFP, but the SFP didn't occur, okay. We were looking bearish coming into the GP, okay. So yeah, price had that retracement, formed the failed auction, and then we saw lower prices, okay. So yeah, for me, you know, we're looking at pretty much the exact same scenario, okay. What have we got? We've got liquidity that wants to be taken out, we've got the GP, okay, and we've got the indicators telling us, we've got the open interest, CVD, even money flow, telling us that the price is looking bearish locally, okay, coming into this GP and liquidity level, okay. So for me, you know, this is a possible short position, okay, but like I said, I just want to see that liquidity being taken out from up here, and then you know, I can enter into that trade, okay. So that's all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching. This was just a really quick update letting you know what's going on with the markets. I don't really do insights like this. I normally do insights like this for my team, but yeah, I thought today, you know, I'd give you a bit more of an in-depth look into the markets to, you know, hopefully help you profit off of these price movements. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. See you later, guys. Goodbye.